Are we all prepared for 8 miles?
Kasi ako, hindi ako risk taker. So that's good. I'm in a daredevil group. Now I get to have this kind of memories.
Yeah, kasi this is our first time.
Matakotin. So,
Kaya
yung buhay ko is so,
very safe.
Safe and boring. I mean, ganun lang. Not too much, pasyal. Oh my goodness! Look at that!
I know.
We're gonna be walking.
Wow.
We'll be walking on the mud.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Did you guys bring extra shoes?
Yeah, I do.
You're at the room.
I have it's in here,
I have one in
but how are we
here.
gonna fit?
I don't have
No, I
Kayo ng permit dito? Yeah, there's a machine.
no, may dala akong second shoes nandito sa ilalim ng
Your
car. I'm not
destination
sure
is
if
on the right.
I have to bring it while we're hiking.
Oh, no, not.
It's like 5
This is fine. I mean, it is.
Kaya nga, kasi kung mabasa tayo,
That's it.
then you cannot change, then basa ulit. Yeah.
Pang yun, huwag mong babasahin yun.
Yeah.
Para lang yun for change.
That's an icy road right there.
Sino nag-drive? Si Faye ba yun?
Maybe like turning. Okay, I gotta get the permit. Cash ba or card? Card.
She leave it running?
Ito ba yung permit ng yung tulad nung any sa Arizona? Hindi ko alam. Diba? I bought but I never use it. One year.
Dapat dinala mo sana.
Nakakotse.
Nasa car mo.
handicap.
Uy, malamig na. Malamig siya pag hindi tayo
Pwede na kaming lumabas?
Pag dumating na sila, if you want, yeah.
So pretty. Look at the snow.
Pwede nang lumabas, hindi pa rin
Ayun ako
naka-strap.
nakita yung aking phone. Ay, laging hanapan ng phone.
Daming dala.
Dinala ko nga tayo para sa phone.
Oo, para dyan na lang talaga itago. Kasi phone lang naman talaga importante eh. Ako nga, phone lang dala-dala ko kasi andito na lahat.
Wala siya.
Ang phone mo?
Lagi na ginamit eh. Nandito yung phone.
Wala. Sadali, ka nahulog.
Guys, raining the water. Snow is dripping off the roof.
Are you kidding me?
Nahulog? Tawagan ako, be. You want me to call?
Yung 606.